Guys, it's your girl Sahar and I'm back today to show you how I'm going to refresh my day 4 hair using the same formula that I used on wash day, the curly. I have type 3B hair, and if you guys have seen my videos before, you know the curly is the one that I use. And our Flairosol bottles, this is just a water bottle. We launched these yesterday. Today is, what day is today? Wednesday, August 22nd, and we just launched these yesterday. And you guys are going wild for Flairosols. That's nuts, but yep, love your curls, LUS. Our products are water formulated, so these two together make best friends. So if you see my hair, you're gonna be like, yeah, that's not day 4. It is my day 4 hair. I washed my hair on Sunday, slept on it Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday night. Today's Wednesday, and you could see I still have a lot of like curl definition, separation. There's some frizz at the top because I don't really sleep with, like, I sleep on a satin pillowcase, and that does make a difference for me. And the first night I wrap it in a scarf. So if you actually go to our website, lusbrands.com, and check on videos, real how-to videos, or even the big LUS info page, there is a video on there, I believe, that where I show how I wrap my hair in just a basic scarf. And that helps preserve my curls, but I really do think avoiding using cotton towels when you dry your hair out of the shower makes a difference. I use a cotton t-shirt. And yeah, sleep on a satin pillowcase and give that a try. But again, everyone's hair is different. We have some customers that write us and they're like, oh, I can't get to day 5 hair. Like, maybe you're not supposed to, right? So try different things with your hair. I usually get to day 5, 6. And on wash day, you guys know my routine. Step 1, sulfate-free shampoo. Step 2, silicone-free conditioner. Do these in the shower. Rinse those out. And then I apply my LUS All-in-One Curly section by section. I'm actually gonna go live next week, Tuesday. So if you're not on our email list, join our email list. We do communicate with our community on email. And I'm gonna go live and show you guys how I apply this product on wash day to keep my curls looking like this even on day 4. Now, I don't need to refresh. Like, I have not done any refreshes since wash day. Like, I just get up, I put my hair down, and I go. But today, I'm gonna show you guys how I refresh and what works for my hair. Again, you gotta do whatever works for your hair, and that comes down to trial and error. So, if you have type 3 hair, 3B hair, this method works for me, so you can give this a try. And it's like the most basic refresh ever. If you've been on our YouTube page, you'll see that sometimes I fill a bottle like this, a plastic bottle with water, and I'll put in a few pumps of the same formula, shake that up, spritz it all over my hair and go. Now that works for some people. If you have 3B, 3C, or type 4 hair, you'll find that method works great for you. If you have type 2 hair, you're gonna need to spot refresh. Like, too much water is gonna cause frizz on your refreshes. So this is what I've been doing ever since we got our Flairosols. Oh, and if you guys don't know how to use these, the first time you get these, you have to pump them. Like, you have to, what's it called? Prime them. So you just basically pump really hard a couple of times, and that's it. So pump hard, get that spray going, and that's it. So instead of using spray bottles like this and pumping one at a time, this is a continuous mist spray that helps, especially on refresh days. So I will just go through with, and this is just filled with cool water, that's all. And I will do my hair in half and just wet it. And you can see in the back, I have like more frizz. So I will focus more on the back sections when I do my refresh. And you don't want to disturb your curls too much. Like, you don't want to rake your hands through your curls when you're refreshing and cause excess frizz. So if you're gonna refresh, you gotta be gentle. And you don't want to drench and fully saturate your hair on a refresh. I don't personally diffuse when I refresh, I just let it air dry. So you can see I'm just going through, not raking through, getting water in there. And then the same formula, couple of pumps for like half my head. You don't want to use too much, because then your hair is gonna get crunchy and you don't want that. So I will take the formula, you see just 2 pumps, and I'll actually add some more water to dilute it down even further. Rub, and then gently just go over my hair. Careful not to break my curls apart. And then the top parts that have frizz, Just smooth these parts down. And then the ends, like you could see my ends, I mean, I have very long hair, so it gets weighed down, and I'm terrible at haircuts. So I will sometimes go through on my ends and just apply a little bit more water. Another pump of product, very small pump. More water. And just focus on my ends and scrunch that in. Again, no pulling, it's already stretched out. And what I'm trying to do by doing this is just get the ends to bounce back up. And that's, again, I've tried different things over the years, right? I've had this hair on my head for 20 years. I've been wearing my hair curly. Maybe straightening it once or twice a year, that's it. So I've got to experiment different styles and different, just different things. And this is what works for me. And that's it. That's how I refresh if I need to refresh. And then I would just let it air dry. And you could see, I mean, I don't mind a little bit of frizz. I think it gives you volume and it looks nice. But this side, you can see the frizz is here. So I will go through and do the same thing on this side and then let this side air dry. And I'll come back. I'm gonna eat breakfast and come back and show you guys what it looks like when it air dries. My hair dries very fast. And again, I didn't saturate my hair. Like I didn't go through and drench my hair all over again. So 3-step system for me on wash day, steps 1 and 2, apply the all-in-one. And then I get through to like day 5, 6 before I have to repeat it again. If you have type 2 hair, you're gonna need to go in smaller sections to refresh your hair. So just clip your sections back. Same thing, water. If you don't have a Flairosol bottle, guys, just use a regular spray bottle, not a big deal. These are cool though. I'm just getting used to using mine, but it really does help to be like, yes. Yeah, so these Flairosols are great for refresh or even on your wash day because our products are water formulated. So if you have type 2 hair, work in smaller sections. Wet your hair, apply the product. Don't use too much water if you have type 2 hair. And just go sections by sections and be careful not to break your hair apart. It's gonna cause frizz. And then while it's drying, like this side is done, don't touch your hair. You're gonna frizz up your hair if you keep touching it after you've applied product. So you gotta just kind of be gentle and let your hair dry naturally. You can also diffuse, use low heat or cool heat if you're gonna diffuse on refresh days. Don't wanna overheat your hair. That's it, so I'm gonna go eat, do this side, let it air dry, and come back and show you guys what it looks like. But that's pretty much it. It won't be a big difference. That's it. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. Hair is partially dried, but I gotta get to work, so I just wanted to come back and say bye and basically show you what my hair looks like after I very simply refresh by cutting my hair down the middle, as you guys saw. Spray some water on each side, couple pumps of products per side, that's it. And if you're getting any kind of like crunchiness on refresh, it just means you use too much product. So go easy on the product. Don't disturb your curls while they're drying. And yeah, that's kind of it. You can see the frizzes calm down. I still have super soft curls and I'll probably get another couple of days out of this refresh. Don't do what I'm doing. I'm disturbing my curls for this video right now, but don't do that. Go easy on your curls. And yeah, you see this? See this stuff in this day 4 hair, guys. Day 4. Yeah, that's it. So again, don't compare your curls to anyone else's. Your curls are unique. You need to figure out what works for you. We've got 3 different formulas for different hair types. As you guys know, wavy, curly, kinky, coily. So give them a shot. Try different things. Experiment. Let us know in comments, you know, what you guys do to refresh your hair, because I'm the ultimate lazy curly girl. I don't spend a lot of time refreshing, and you know, that's it. 2 sections, Flairosol, water, and yeah, that's it. I hope you guys are loving your LUS, and I hope you guys love these Flairosol bottles. Love you. Bye.